I needed to remove a factory-installed ladder and swim platform to make room for a shallow water anchor. It was attached with number 12 1.5-inch screws along with 3 M5200 sealant. After removal, I was left with rust trails, sealant, cracked fiberglass, and 10 1/4-inch holes. Use Ziploc sandwich bags to make the plastic sheets. They are inexpensive and creates a good cover for the holes. Cut off the top of the bag. Cut down 2 sides. Open the bag and cut in half. Trim any uneven edges. Tape a plastic sheet over each hole. Leave the top of the plastic sheet open. Spray adhesive sealant remover into the top of each plastic pocket. This will help soften the 3M Marine 5200 so you can remove it without damaging the gel coat. Keep the area wet with sealant remover for at least 30 minutes. To avoid any further damage to the gel coat, use a plastic scraper to remove the sealant from around the hole. You must work it slowly and remove small areas at a time. Spray a scouring pad with adhesive to remove the remaining sealant residues. Spray a rust neutralizer on a medium grade scouring pad and lightly scrub the area. Continue the same cleaning procedure with the remaining holes. Acetone is safe on gel coat if used properly. Acetone not only removes dirt and stains, it will also remove any old wax from the gel coat. Pour a small amount at a time on a soft cloth and scrub all the areas where 5200 sealant and rust were removed. Be sure to watch part 2. I will show you how to prepare the holes.